Hello, I am Gemma Córdoba Navarro. I am part of 474 group of Intermediate English 1 course. And this is my presentation for my final task in the course. In this presentation, I am going to talk about different topic, and were developed on the speaking sessions for my tutor. I live in Turbo, Antioquia. Turbo, Antioquia is a Caribbean town. It's located in Antioquia department. Turbo is one of the biggest Colombian municipality. Is a cosmopolitan place. Here live many people from all over the country. In Turbo you can find people from different cities of Colombia like Bogotá, Barranquilla, Medellin. You can find people from countries like Cuba, USA, Costa Rica, many countries of Africa. I think that Turbo is a good place for life, for living, because in this place you can obtain all that you need for stay well. For example, if you want study, if you want to get a job, if you want funny. For this reason, many people come to Turbo. I think that is a good place for living. Turbo has a beautiful beach and tourist places. The beach is so visited for tourists and many people that want to fun on weekend, for example. You can go for fun or swimming. It's so beautiful. Big. In Turbo you can find many kinds of fruit like borjo, chontaduro, others. Turbo during the week, Turbo is a quiet place because everybody is working everybody are working. But on the weekend, the environment changes completely because many people play music to high volume, and Turbo can become in a noisy place. In Turbo you can find all things that you need. You can find cheap expensive things. You only need to ask what you need, and it's all. The people can say, can indicate you where you can find that you need. About sports, chess is a strategy game between two opponents. The objective of the game if it is to defeat the adversary by deposing the opposing king. I like chess because exercise my mind and help me calm down. I think that throughout this game you can develop different abilities, mind abilities. You need think, you need calculate, you need wait, do different things for win. Chess is a this game was invited invented in Asia, probably in India, with the name of Chaturanga. Disasters. Disasters are natural phenomena that harms the people. For example, earth, earth, earthquake. Earthquake is a sudden shaking of the ground caused by passage of seismic wave across earth rock. Other kind of disasters is flood. Flood. Flood is an overflow of water that submerges land. In Colombia, this kind of disaster is so common because there are many people living near to the rivers. Other kind of disaster is tsunami. Tsunami is a large sea wave produced by earthquake at the bottom of the sea of volcanic erosion. Other is landslide. Landslide is a collapse of a mass of earth or rock from a mountain or cliff. When you it's common to find this type of disaster when you are driving to Medellin, because there are many mountains near to the road, and because is common to there is rain. For this reason, you can find landslide in this place. I read news about disaster. It's about a cyclone Gaha. This is that is having place in India. At least 33 people died. There has been many loss of materials. Then authorities do everything possible to help the people, but it's so hard. About celebrations, I like celebration because it's a time for to be with the people that you that you like, that you want. Um, is a time for funny, for loud, for dance, and to do funny things. But my favorite celebration is Christmas. I like Christmas because I have long time for to be with my family, and because in this time the people come back to your town. For example, my friends that is working or studying in Medellin or Bogota or another city of Colombia come back, and I can find with them. The same way my family. I have a cousin or uncles or aunts that live in other place. Um, in Christmas, um, they come to Turbo, and is very good um, to find again, to see again. In my country, maybe in my town, we share a special dinner, dance, and drink some alcohol in this celebration. But in other in other countries like USA, people go to the squares to share and watch Christmas tree. I watched this fact in movies. The people go to the squares, to be around the Christmas tree. Um, I think that it's funny, but the I prefer my tradition because it's with the people that I love. Okay, this is all my presentation. Um, Thank you.